shout out post. So explain what that is, Jeff.
Well, to me, that is a post that's really just a shout out for someone else, or it's a shout out because of something that someone else did for you, et cetera. Or it's just a plain shout out to give someone else credit. I gotta mention our buddy in the UK, John, okay, because John comes up with some of these great tips, and occasionally you got to give that credit back to that guy, okay, because he's doing this all the time. He has taught me more than anybody else probably out here on LinkedIn, except for maybe you and Kevin in terms of what's new, okay, as an example. But John has taught me not only how to do something on LinkedIn, because he gets down there in the nitty gritty. He's as nerdy as I am and gets down there in the nitty gritty. They don't call him the LinkedIn nerd for nothing. Okay, but he knows exactly how it works, and then he can explain it to you and why it might be a good idea for you to try it as well, right? So giving somebody a shout out like that is perfect.